8-book and magazine cover layout single-sided output. At present, we use copper plate paper for printing book covers. Copper plate paper, also known as coated printing paper, is mainly used for printing covers and illustrations of high-end books and periodicals, colored pictures, various exquisite product advertisements, samples, product packaging, trademarks, etc. We use existing paper with a thickness of 157 grams per square meter and a size of 464 by 320 millimeters as the printing substrate. Printing speed. Number of color separations on the first side. Number of color separations on the second side. When all conditions are met, the printing machine defaults to high-speed monochrome printing. Otherwise, the printing speed will be reduced. The process steps for single-sided output of book and magazine cover layout are as follows. Open the source file, view file size, transfer file, receive file, select paper, set paper parameters, load paper, set file parameters, imposition, single-sided printing for book and magazine covers, proofing, printing. Next, the single-sided output process for book and magazine covers. Transfer files through a hot folder. Load list homework. Left thumbnail preview. Observe whether the file transfer is accurate according to printing requirements. Set layout parameters. Right mouse button. Imposition. Request for 157 copper plate paper. Book and magazine cover size is around 400 mm by 200 mm. During the typesetting process, there is no need for multiple typesetting on the selected substrate. The selection of other methods in the typesetting process resulted in a red overflow phenomenon. Explanation is unavailable. The currently chosen typesetting method is double-sided printing. There is a number 1 on the left page. There are no numbers on the right page because the transmitted file only has one side. So currently, the layout method only displays one page with content. Continue to change the layout mode. Select and observe. In the case of single-sided printing in red, you can click on the top right corner to rotate 90 degrees. Still in red indicates that this layout method is not available. Continue to select the layout mode for observation. It was found that only the first method is more suitable for printing this book and magazine. And cutting lines externally. Click OK. Find the pre-assembled file through the homework interface. You can observe the file style. after layout through the thumbnail on the left. Observing that the book cover size to be printed on the substrate is within the appropriate range, then right-click with the mouse, Homework Editing and Viewing. The Homework Editor clearly displays the pre-press status of the homework. This status is available. Right-click, Selection of Homework Attributes. Choose to print 2 sheets as a sample observation object. Delivery face down. The adjustment of image color and image position needs to be done after printing. Check if the selection in the substrate options is correct. Check the sample table for paper delivery. After all parameters are completed, drag the set homework to the print list. Click on the Sample button. Need to click twice. Start sampling. Finally, check the printing effect and quality. This cover is printed on one side. Crop markers in the 4 corners of the page. Observe whether there is a color difference between the output file and the original file. If not available, printing can be directly produced. If there is any discrepancy, revise the printing quality of the original manuscript in the later stage, then print it again.